In today's AI programming tutorial, I'll show you an interesting project, even a game, to practice using AI to enhance coding. Recently, Telegram games like TabSwap and Hala Hamster have gained popularity. Many seek to create bots that automatically navigate game sections. These bots are often sold to those who prefer automation. Today, I'll explain how these bots are made. Hello, I'm Benan. Welcome to my channel. This is part of a series on programming tutorials without code using AI. If you enjoy this series, like and subscribe. Today, we'll test a Telegram bot to see if AI can create an automatic tab bot with specific features. Let's head to the monitor. Bots are sold for those avoiding game time. Today, I want to tell you how these bots are made. Like and subscribe if you enjoy. Today, I've chosen a Telegram bot to test AI data input for an automatic tab bot. We're entering Telegram to select a bot. I'm choosing this bot, and to run it in the browser, especially on desktop. Set it up properly. If you enjoyed this video series, hit like and subscribe. Today, we're testing a Telegram bot to see if it can create an automatic tab bot with specific features. Let's go to the monitor. We're entering the Telegram website and selecting a bot. For example, I'm choosing this bot. Running this game in a desktop browser isn't allowed. It's for mobile only. To bypass this, press F12 or right-click and select Inspect. Both actions work. In the console, switch to responsive mode and set dimensions to a mobile device like an iPhone 14 Pro Max. Press F12 or right-click and select Inspect. Both work. Open the console in responsive mode. If the timer is current, the top section activates. Set dimensions to an iPhone to show mobile, view and notify Telegram. Select any iPhone like iPhone 14 Pro Max. To run the game, click. If the debugger pauses, it will continue without action. Press F12 twice quickly to reset the console. Opening the console sets responsive mode. If the timer is current, the top section activates. To display mobile view and inform Telegram of mobile access, set dimensions to an iPhone. For example, select iPhone 14 Pro Max. To run the game, clicking this shows a problem. The debugger is paused. Waiting does nothing. Press F12 twice quickly to close and reopen the console. This should let us enter the game, simulating mobile access. Clicking this causes a problem. The debugger is paused, and it stays paused indefinitely. We should press F12 twice quickly to close and reopen the console. This lets us enter the game, simulating mobile access. To make this work, access code online. Use any mobile device, but I prefer a specific code for familiarity. The free version allows over 200 uses in coding. This kid should enter the game now. We need something accessible via a website. I'll use a specific code. The free version allows over 200 uses in coding. For this, we also need a website tool. You can use any mobile device, but I'm going to use a specific code to register its name in your minds. For more use, the free version allows over 200 uses in coding, so use it easily, without fixing. I record AI programming tutorials in English on YouTube and Instagram. Links are in the description. Subscribe for stronger English tutorials. And guys, I'm currently recording programming tutorials with artificial intelligence in English as well. I'm starting on my YouTube channel and also on my Instagram. I'll leave the links in the description below, so make sure to subscribe because soon my English section will be launched there and I'm going to provide much stronger and better tutorials for you, alright? If you go there, make sure to hit subscribe. Okay, I've already written down my prompts here because I wanted this video to be done faster. If you want, I can write down all the prompts for you. It's nothing special. What I've done here is, before writing down the prompts, we first go into this website. Make sure to hit subscribe if you go there, okay? I've already written down my prompts here because I wanted this video to be done faster. If you want, I can write down all the prompts for you. It's nothing special. What I've done here is, before writing down the prompts, we first go into this website. We want to write a script here in our browser, and this script will be entered in the console section of our inspect tool. When we open the console, we have a space, here, where we can write everything, and here we can input the script. This script will make some changes to the page we want, and we'll do this automatically. It will do this automatically. All right. Our goal is to make the AI understand that we want this device to function like a phone and perform touch operations. The AI needs to know where to tap, recognize codes, identifiers, and the page. We need to signal the AI where to tap with the current code. We click in our inspector or press Ctrl plus Shift plus C. This lets us hover over page elements with the mouse, highlighting the area. Imagine tapping a page with fingers. AI needs to know where to tap. The page has codes and identifiers. We signal AI by clicking a section in the inspector or pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus C. This highlights page elements. To tap, click the area, and the code highlights. Copy the code by pressing Ctrl plus C or right-clicking and selecting Copy Element. We need to give the AI a signal to understand where it should tap with the current code. Click this section in Inspector or press Ctrl plus Shift plus C. This lets us hover over page elements and automatically this area highlights. To tap here, click this area and the code highlights. Once highlighted, copy the code by pressing Ctrl plus C or right-clicking and selecting Copy Element. After clicking Copy Element, write in the console to perform an automated tap or touch action on this web page as a script. We will use the code we just copied here. We tap here. As we tap, the code for this area gets highlighted. Once it's highlighted, we copy this code by pressing Ctrl plus C or right-clicking Copy Element. When we click Copy Element, we script an automated tap action. We paste the code here. We hit Enter and it starts executing. But look, I'm tapping and nothing happens. It's not registering the tap. Click Copy Element to script an automated tap in the browser console. Paste the code and hit Enter to execute. However, the tap isn't registering. Cancel with clear interval valid ID to stop the process. The code didn't trigger any action, so let's fix it and write a new one. We've copied and pasted the code right here, and it gives us this code. What we do is enter this code here and paste it, then hit Enter, and it starts executing. But look here, guys, I'm tapping here with my finger, but nothing is happening. It's like it's not registering the tap at all, and the action we wanted to execute didn't happen. So what we do is cancel this. The command that's written here is clear interval valid ID. If we run this, it will automatically cancel whatever is happening here. Now we go down and say that the code we wrote today didn't trigger any action, so let's fix the issue and write a new code. And it wrote such a code for us, and we will follow that process. And that action we wanted to execute didn't happen. So, what we're going to do is cancel it. The command that's written here is clear interval valid ID. If we run this, it will automatically cancel whatever is happening here. Now we go down and say that the code we wrote today didn't trigger any action. So let's fix the issue and write a new code. And it wrote such a code for us. And we will follow that process. We're going to copy and paste this code here. Let's see the kids are moving left and right. Why are you guys going left and right and not doing it like the original phone? Because I want you guys to have this precision too. Since we're accessing this through a desktop, the console, elements, and browser inspection are only accessible on your desktop, meaning on your computer or laptop. This AI thinks you're doing this from a desktop, and what it's doing is simulating that you're moving the mouse around and dragging it, or it's just moving it around based on different numerical values, and it's not tapping like a finger would. But we need to tell it, hey, think of it as if it's a mobile device and we want to tap with our finger. What we need to do is go lower. The thing that happened here is that it moves, but it doesn't register any taps. It wants you to write the operations as if you're tapping with your finger on a smartphone to achieve this effect. Or is he just moving this around here, like the amount of different numbers and not sticking his thumb out? We need to tell it, think of it as a mobile device and we want to tap with our finger. We need to go lower. It moves but doesn't register taps. Write operations as if tapping on a smartphone. A better script emerged for us. We put it here and it started responding automatically. It's simple, and these scripts work like bots. Take this as an assignment. Change this code and create your own. In games like Not Tetris or Tabas, we tap with multiple fingers. That's the interaction we want to simulate. A better script emerged for us. We put it here and it started responding automatically. These scripts work like bots. Take this as an assignment. Change this code and create your own. In games like Not Tetris or Tabas, we tap with multiple fingers. Apply a modification to this code to simulate multiple taps, and have the AI implement a new code. It's just as easy. And these scripts are the same way that happens. And people run these different bots in the same way. And guys, I want you to implement another change to this code as an assignment. And start making these codes yourself. And you saw that sometimes. in games like Natkun or TabSwap or other things we used to tap with several fingers instead of tapping with one finger. And now I want you to apply a modification or a correct approximation to this code and work out how many times the Poissier also seems to be hitting a single blow. And I want the artificial intelligence to apply a new code for you. And I want you to send me a video of this code showing me how you're doing it. To send it, guys, please join the Telegram channel. And in the comment section under this post related to this video, which is pinned, send it to me there. There's a leave a comment section under every post that I make. Want to see how you're using it, and I can show you better ways to become a programmer just as easily. See the same skin again from this comment. I'd love to see you using it, and I can show you better ways to become a programmer just as easily. It's not like before when you had to train for years before entering the job market. Now you can become a programming engineer easily. The good thing is you can learn from programming itself, which does the hard work for you. Learn to write codes by asking questions like, what is this code doing? How does this command relate to that? Let's keep this going together. There are many exciting things you can do now. With the programming itself, which is automated by Gosteterin Moseni, you can also learn the codes that he writes. How about asking him what exactly this code does, what this command has to do with it, and how exactly it can be used? Ask him any questions that are more appropriate for your own learning, so that I can help you with this. I'm waiting for your assignments, so get them done. And friends, let's have a discussion. You see, there are so many opportunities. In the past, others made money writing scripts, and you have the ability to create bots. But accessing AI is a challenge not everyone can overcome. I found tools online that will help you. To learn how I found and used these tools for coding, make sure to check out the video I've posted here. But, accessing this kind of AI is one of the challenges that not everyone has access to right now. I've spent a lot of time searching the internet and investing my time to find these tools that I know will really help you. If you want to know how I found these tools and how I started working with them to begin coding in the best way possible, make sure to check out the video I've posted here. Make sure to check out the video I've posted here